Festival of Words is a celebration of words in every format. We've tried to make sure that there are events all across the county, as it's so lovely to see the people who we see in our libraries on a daily basis all coming together and sharing that love of reading, maybe making new friends.
It gives people a chance to come in and meet the authors of whom they are reading and find out actually what makes the authors tick and how they come up with some brilliant books. And I just love libraries. Love libraries.
I think library events like this are so important because it brings people together, not only people who have the same interests, but it's showing people who maybe don't already have access to literature that there is a whole world of it available out there.
Local literature festivals are important because they celebrate both the local community and authors and writers and readers. You know, reading generally is quite a solitary occupation of time, isn't it? You get a book, you snuggle down and you get lost in your own little world. But when you have events like this that are centred around books and words, they bring people out of their own little worlds and bring them together into one big world. And that's why I think these events are really, really important.
I think that the local festivals are really, really important. They're just fantastic resources for people to have sort of on the doorstep. It's a place for people to go to find new books, and that's always, you know, for an author is a brilliant thing to have.
It's just kind of brings it a bit more closer to home, because when you're reading a book, I think you're very away from the author, and it's just bringing that experience to you when you think, oh, these are real people doing this.
So I think this is the 4th year that I've been here. Amazing.
Yeah, absolutely brilliant. Really enjoyed it.
It was really interesting to hear about the process of writing.
I think it's great that in the town there are so many cultural events that you can dip in and dip out of.
It's kind of like celebrating the fact that it's a whole team effort, not just the people who work for the libraries, but our readers as well. And it's a great opportunity for us all to come together.